Today we are Dr. Nitin Garg sir, founder director of ISME Bangalore College. Sir, why this ISME? Can you share the vision of this ISME?
Yes, actually ISME we started in 2006. It was a part of global quality certification body which is known as NVT quality certifications, and the idea was to provide a world class education in management studies specifically, which is based on quality, which is based on giving exposure to students, which is a global exposure. That is why we put international in our name and excellence in our name. So International School of Excellence, Management Excellence was born in 2006 with that vision, and even today after 18 years we are pursuing our vision, and I am happy to state that many of our students are living and working abroad. Many of our students are doing exceptionally well.
So how this ISME is different from other colleges in Bangalore? Because I have visited many colleges. I have seen the infrastructure, I have seen the faculty, I have seen the student, especially students. I feel that ISME is a bit different from other colleges. But I want to ask from your side that how is ISME different from other colleges?
Yes, multiple ways. See, education everybody provides, but it is the experience. क्या एक्सपीरियंस होगा स्टूडेंट का? वन इज इन द क्लासरूम. Classroom experience is really determined by the quality of faculty. Most of our faculty have either global backgrounds or backgrounds with where they have worked with global companies.
Okay.
तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जो क्लासरूम का एक्सपीरियंस है वो इज एट अ टोटली डिफरेंट लेवल. सेकंड इज आउटसाइड द क्लास, एंड आउटसाइड द क्लासरूम अगेन one is on all the other activities that you and हम लोगों के यहाँ there is TEDx, which is a global event. We have an international conference. We have so many clubs and labs. We have world class infrastructure in terms of sports. All those things become outside the classroom. And the third is your stay, the hostel experience. We have a hostel which is on campus. One, it is very safe, especially for girls और ये सब के लिए. It is right on the campus. रात भर people keep doing work and enjoying and preparing for either their academics or some cultural event which is coming up. And they have a very comfortable hostel. So all these things lead to a complete experience, and I think हम लोगों का जो experience है, this kind of experience which ISM is providing is at a completely different level because of all these things: classroom, outside classroom, and hostel.
Sir, most of the students are coming for the placements.
Yes.
Either is in A grade students, those who have got 90 percentile and above in CAT, or those who have less than 90 percentile in CAT. All of them wants to take placements.
Yes.
What is the placement scenario here?
I want to give you some real figures out here. We are right now, as you know, in early October. This is almost 10 months before graduation of next year of my students, and right now already 20 to 25% of the students have been placed.
Okay.
And they have been placed in companies like Grant Thornton, Ernst & Young, Cantor Research, Godrej and Boyce, in various domains. We have tie-ups with these companies. Almost all the big fives are coming here to the campus today. Here, almost our first 4 months, our top students are all in big companies. So nearly 50-60% of the students first get placed in all these MNCs, and even the rest of the students are getting placed in very, very good jobs, given the fact that Bangalore is such a great market. So our placements start almost 12 months before. Most of the placements in most colleges start only 4-5 months before. Our placements start 12 months before. And as we speak, I had just shown you the data in the morning.
Yes, sir.
And we had almost 25% of the students placed 10 months before graduation.
Sir, I have visited many colleges in past 2 days. I have talked to many of the colleges students. They said companies are coming for the marketing, companies are coming for the finance, companies are coming for the HR profile also. But most of the students are getting placed in marketing or in sales background. हाँ, scenario क्या है? HR का placements का क्या है? Finance का placement क्या है? And marketing means branding, promotion, research, advertising. So what all are the scenario? What all are the profiles?
We have tie-ups. In the last 1 month itself, Deloitte has selected our students, Ernst Young has selected our students, Grant Thornton has selected our students. We have a program known as Industry Trajectory Program. Students September से ही from second year onwards to December they go and work in the company. In the morning from 8 to 11:30 they are in the college, and after 11:30 by 12:30 1 o'clock they are in the company. This kind of a tie-up very, very few people have. And in fact, we are the only college in the country which has a tie-up from the early second year itself. And this is for most of the big finance companies. So finance is taken care of because of that. And they get into many various. Bangalore is all about investment banking and vacant financial jobs. And this is as far as finance is concerned. In marketing, there are two kinds of roles. We have once again companies which are coming like Hansa Research, Kantar, which just selected our students, right? And there are many marketing research companies which are coming, which give students marketing research. At the end of the day, none of our students, none, who will go and only do like credit card sales. Okay, even if they are doing selling, like if they get into a real estate company, you are working and meeting with those levels of clients, and it's not like one is going in a scooter or a two-wheeler. Clients come to you, you talk to the clients, you sell to the clients. Job roles.
If it is a selling, then high-end selling.
Yes, it is high-end selling. It is not कि ना आप ना एक दुकान में जा रहे हो या एक को किसी तरह पकड़ कर इंश्योरेंस या क्रेडिट कार्ड, हम उस तरह की कंपनीज लाते ही नहीं.
It is just because you have lesser number of seats. So जिस बच्चे को जो प्रोफाइल में जाना है वही प्रोफाइल चूज करेगा. और there is a huge number of companies visiting every year.
तो huge number of companies तो visit करती है. We have about 120 companies visiting every year for 180, and और भी companies है, लेकिन हमारे पास students ही नहीं है उससे ज्यादा.
Why 180 students? Because many of the colleges I have seen, the number of seat intake is huge. It's 800 to 900 students. So पहला कॉलेज मुझे बेंगलोर में ऐसा दिखाई दिया है जिसमें number of seats intake is very small.
So one thing, as I told you also, our idea is to give the best quality. हर student का individual mentorship होती है. We believe that we have very individualized mentorship, and उससे student का जो experience है वो much better. Competition भी कम होता है, of course. You can get more leadership positions. Then you can, and of course when a company also कम number में compete करेंगे तो ज्यादा chance है आपका होने का. And हम लोगों का ये है, as you know, कि as a group we have multiple other things. We have 4 schools, we have nearly 4,000 students there. We have other ventures within University of Bangalore. So I believe we are not doing this for money. Most of the colleges out here, especially CGDM type of colleges, they are in the money game. They are not doing it for providing quality education. That's the difference.
इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए कुछ.
अच्छा, इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर हम अलग अलग तरीके से देते हैं. एक तो डायरेक्ट इंटरनेशनल, हमारे फीस में ही इट इज बिल्ट इनटू कि हर स्टूडेंट, हम लोगों के पास वी हैव अ टाई अप विद कॉलेजेस इन सिंगापुर. स्टूडेंट्स स्टे इन सिंगापुर, दे आर स्टेइंग इन द कैंपस ऑफ दैट कॉलेज and they go through multiple classes. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ना जैसे कुछ कॉलेजेस भेज देते हैं घुमाने के लिए. घूमना है तो आप अलग से भी घूम सकते हो. But here they go, they interact, they have a full certification program in international business.
Okay.
They have academic immersion, they have industry. हम लोगों के पास tie-ups है with at least 7-8 industries, so there is a full industry visits and cultural immersion. So वो that is one big thing, because उस तरह का एक्सपोजर कहीं नहीं मिलेगा कंट्री में. यहाँ भी जो भी करते हैं हम, I think you might have moved around our campus. We have boards of every country. Our idea today is that the experience in the next 20-30 years will no longer be only in US or Australia. It is going to be in many countries, which you might be in Africa, South America, Southeast Asia. And हम over 100 countries students को expose करवाते हैं, ताकि कल को अगर not necessary immediately after ISME, but career is long, कि कहीं अपॉर्चुनिटी कहीं फिलीपींस में हो या नाइजीरिया में हो या कहीं भी हो, you should know about that country. You can only exploit an opportunity when you know about. So that is what we do. Even in the classroom when we do it, we give examples from across the world. It is not only India specific.
Although you do have sufficient infrastructure for each and every student. मैंने देखा है, काफी विजिट किया, काफी सुंदर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया हुआ है. Do we are planning for new infrastructure or something?
हर कॉलेज में ग्रोथ होगी, हमारे में भी ग्रोथ हो रही है और भी बन रहा है. लेकिन जो हमारे 180 to 240 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वो तो सारी चीजें इतनी ज्यादा अच्छी हैं. We have an amphitheater which is of a 350 student astroturf football field, astroturf volleyball court, basketball court. We have on-campus hostel. So already सारी चीजें हैं जो इन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए चाहिए.
Why the selection criteria is tough here?
See, selection has to be a little tougher if you want later on, because the studies are also at that level. Okay. Second is that we want to place you at that level in good companies. We get students from nearly 25 states.
Okay.
and we get nearly 50% girls.
Okay.
And 50% girls come because we have hostel on campus. This is the thing. Students not only learn from teachers, students learn from other students. So this is what is the
I always say to the students,
Yeah.
faculty से आपको 1 घंटे सीखने
Yes.
को मिलेगा, 2 घंटे, लेकिन your peer group will taught you each and everything about 24 hours.
हाँ, and क्योंकि हमारे हॉस्टल कैंपस में वो रियली 24 आवर्स है, तो इसलिए दिस मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस टू गेट स्टूडेंट्स हु कैन लर्न फ्रॉम ईच।
सर, एक छोटा सा मैसेज बच्चों के लिए, दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द एडमिशन इन ISME, क्या एक छोटा सा मैसेज देंगे आप बच्चों को? किस तरह का यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट मिलने वाला है, किस तरह की फैकल्टी मिलने जा रही है, क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम देने जा रहे हैं, और क्या हम उनको नंबर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज देने जा रहे हैं?
पहली चीज तो ये है कि ना, यू शुड ट्राई टू विजिट। इफ यू विजिट द कॉलेज यू विल गेट टू नो मोर। सुनने में तो बहुत सारी चीजें लोग बोलेंगे तुम्हें हर डिफरेंट कॉलेज की। यू शुड ऑलवेज रिसर्च एवरीथिंग अबाउट द कॉलेज, research about faculty, about the infrastructure, about placement. So unfortunately in this industry, lot of colleges are not telling you the truth. They are giving a wrong picture, and when you come over there, then you get disappointed.
Yes.
So try to do your research instead of listening to anybody. Do a very thorough research from multiple sources, not from one. This would be my thing. And from a ISME perspective, I can assure you, if you will visit, if you are part of this college, you will be extremely happy if you join here.
So if you want to know more about this ISME college, you do have my number on the screen, 9891898289. You can call me anytime. You can WhatsApp me so that I can connect you with the pass out students of this college or the current students of this college. And if you want to visit the college, if you want to visit the website, want to fill the form, you can directly go to the website and fill the form of ISME so that you can have the GD and PI process. In that GDPI process, you also know what is the criteria, how is the ISME college, because ISME सब कुछ बताएगा अपने बारे में। इसी के साथ हम खत्म करते हैं। थैंक यू सर,
Thank you very much. Wonderful.
थैंक